Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn variables and operators in Python with examples. When learning any programming language, variables and operators are the first building blocks that you need to understand. They allow programs to store data, perform calculations, make decisions, and produce meaningful results. In this article, we will learn what variables are, how, how to declare and use variables in Python, what are operators, types of operators in Python, real world examples for better understanding. A variable is a name given to memory location where data is stored. Think of a variable as a container that holds value which can change during program execution. Real world analogy. If you store water in bottle, bottle is a variable and value is water. If you pour out the water and refill it, container remains the same but the value changes. Variables in Python. Python makes working with variables very simple because no need to declare data type explicitly and type is inferred automatically. Syntax is like this: variable name and the value. Example is age 25, name Deepak, and salary is this much. Age stores the integer, name stores the string, and salary stores the floating point number. Now we'll see the rules for naming variables. Python variable name must follow these rules. You can contain letters, digits, and underscores, must start with letter or underscore, and cannot start with digit, cannot use Python keywords. Valid variables are user underscore name, total underscore marks, underscore price. Invalid variable names are to value, class, user name. Invalid decimal literal. So this is the error. We cannot give the class as a variable name, and we cannot have the hyphen. So these are the invalid variable names. Valid variable names are user underscore name equal to, let's say, so this is valid. This is also valid. This is also valid. So you learned how to define variables in Python and rules for naming variables. Now we will see how to assign multiple variables at a time. X, Y, G equal to 2, 4, 3. So we are assigning 2 into X, 4 into Y, and 3 into Z. Now it is print 2, 4, 3. Now we can see how we can assign the same value to different variables. A equal to B equal to C equal to 100. So A, B, C, three where there are three variables with the same value 100. Print A, print B, print C. So all has got the same value 100. Now we will see about the operators. What are operators in Python? Operators are symbols used to perform operation on variables and values. Example is result, result is equal to 10 plus 5. Here plus is operator, 10 and 5 are operands. Now we will see the type of operator in Python. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. So what are arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operators used to perform mathematical calculations. For example, addition, plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, slash for division, percentage for modulus, and slash slash for floor division, and star star exponent. Let's see the examples. Arithmetic operators. A equal to 10, B equal to 6. Now print A plus B. So this is plus operator. A divided by B floor division B A star star B star star is exponent. Let's run it. So these are the outputs. So you can use arithmetic operators on the variables to perform the mathematical calculations. Now we will see the assignment operators. These are the assignment operators. Assignment operators in Python used to assign values to variables equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, and star equal to. So this is equal to x equal to 5. Assign x to assign 5 to x, and similarly x and x plus equal to is equal to x is equal to x plus 3, x minus equal to is basically x equal to x minus 2, and x star equal to, for example, x star equal to 4 is x equal to x star 4. Simply we can run this example and it is printing 15. Now we will see the another operator which is called comparison operator. So comparison operators are used to compare two values. They always return true or false. Equal to is for equal to, equal and not equal to is not equal to, greater than sign is greater than, less than is less than, greater than or equal to, and this is less than or equal to. A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. print A equal to B, print A, so A equal to 10, B equal to 12, A equal to is false and A is less than B is true. Now we will see the logical operator used to combine conditional statements and true if both conditions are true, or true if the least true if at least one is true and not reverses the result. So this is the logical operator. Logical operator. Is equal to 25, print age is greater than 18 and salary greater than 20. So this is true. Next we will see the bitwise operator. Operates on binary numbers. This is A and or XOR, not left shift, right shift. So these are bitwise operators. So there is a membership operator used membership operators used to test if a value exists in a sequence like list, tuple, string, in, not in. There are two operators only, in and not in. Example is languages is the list and Python language in Python in language. So it is going to see if the Python word exists in this languages list. If it exists, then it is printing the true. And another example is Go, not in languages. So Go is not in languages, it is printing true. Membership operator. So this is the use of in operator and this is the use of Go in languages. So in languages, Go is not present, that's why it is printing true. So this is the use of membership operator. Finally, there is identity operator. Identity operators used to compare memory location. So is same object is not different object. Same object A and B, true. So this is the identity operator. Now we will see the real world example. So this is real world example. We have price and discount. Then we are using the minus operator, star operator, and then the slash divide operator. Calculate the final price. Key takeaways is variable store data values. Python variables don't require explicit data types. Operators perform action on variables. Python support multiple operator types for different use cases, and mastering variables and operators is essential before learning conditions like loops and functions. So first you need to master variables and operators, and then go ahead with loops and functions. So in this video we have understood variables and operators. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.